Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is the Button Smashers YouTube channel, and we are back with another unboxing, guys, today. And if you guys haven't been on social media, or if you guys aren't following PC gaming peripherals like I do myself, then this will be new to you guys. If you guys have been, then let's just get along with the show and see what we have. So today, guys, we have the HyperX Alloy FPS mechanical gaming keyboard. So this is the compact design, guys, from HyperX. Our friends over there hooked us up again. You guys can refer back to the HyperX Stinger unboxing that I just did. Some of you guys already know, but I have the HyperX Cloud 2. I also have the Gears of War and the Revolver. So yeah, we're big fans of them. I've got their mouse pad that I'm using, but this is their brand new mechanical keyboard, guys. Their first keyboard, and so we're gonna go ahead and open this up. But before we do, guys, we're gonna go down with what it has on it, just really quickly. Some of the main points. It's a compact design for ideal first-person shooting games, guys. So that's what we're gonna find out. Obviously, it's called the Alloy FPS, and the box is heavy, so it's gonna be made out of an alloy metal, which is gonna extend the life expectancy, the looks of it, the durability, and it's gonna feel awesome. It also comes with the MX Cherry, MX Blue switches in it, so that's really sweet. The MX Blue weighs about 50 cn, which basically is the weight of the key. This is getting really technical here, guys, but this is basically the weight of the key. The MX Blue weighs in at 50 centinewtons cn, which basically means the pressure, downward pressure that you need to click the key. Now the MX Red weighs 45, and that is what's considered the double tap. The 50 brings it in. It's going to be more of a versatile and clicky key. Clicky meaning it's going to have a louder click to it, more peripheral feedback, so you're going to feel the click a little bit more. We're talking very minute weight, so it's really not that much different than the Red, other than the fact that this is going to be a little bit louder on the click, a little bit more of like a click, like you're gonna feel like a tactile feedback, like when you touch your smartphone. If you have the vibrate on, you feel that little bit of like oh, I'm pushing a key. Well, that's what this is gonna have. This is gonna give you a little bit more than that over the Red. So basically, guys, safe space, minimal design, solid steel frame. Like I already told you guys, I was guessing the Alloy FPS is going to be an alloy metal. Has a convenient USB charge port for mobile phones. I'm not sure if this one will run my mouse, but we will try that out and see how it does. It also has red LED lighting, HyperX lighting behind it. Color textured key caps, so we're gonna get some video of that, and we will be showing you guys the video of the or that's what you guys are currently already probably looking at right now, is the keys and the textures on them. It comes with an easy to carry travel pouch and a few other things. So why don't we just stop talking about it, and why don't we open this bad boy up, guys? Here we go. It comes PC with 2 USB 2.0 ports is what's needed. So I do have that. So that's a good thing. So it comes in this nice black box. Comes with a nice carrier, guys, because if you guys are going to like LANs or anything like that, or if you're just carrying it over to your friend's house or storing it, you're gonna want to have a nice case for this. It has a nice holder back here for some of your other items, your cords, maybe a couple extra cell phone chargers or something. So that is the carrying case for the HyperX Alloy FPS. Again, guys, as always, and the thing that I cherish every time I open up a HyperX product is a congratulations card from the team over at HyperX. So this one says, congratulations, get ready to experience a whole new world of gaming. And again, it's signed by Anders, the HyperX general manager. We love that guy over there. He is awesome. He's very kind to take his time out and print his name on all of these. We have a quick start guide for mechanical keyboard, gaming keyboard, function keys, Okay, so we got the function keys in here, guys. That's not what we're here for, guys. So this right here is the Alloy FPS. If you guys can't tell, there it is right there. We're going to go ahead and pull this bad boy out of here. And you guys can already hear the keys are clicking. So currently this keyboard does not have any textured keys on it. This is just a standard keyboard. Looking across the top of it, they have the G key. You know, your standard. It's a pretty heavy keyboard. It's not light by any means. You can definitely feel the durability and the metal that is in this bad boy. So we're gonna set this off to the side, dig a little bit further. Right here, guys, is your guys' USB plug, straight to your computer, to your laptop, or not to your laptop, to your cell phone. The nice keys, the keys kind of stick out a little bit, so they're easy pop on, pop off. We're gonna get back to that here in a second, because cleaning your keys on a PC gaming keyboard, or just any keyboard in general, has always been a major pain in the butt, especially for me. So we're gonna get back to that point. Don't forget that, guys. We have the cords. The cords are needed to plug this bad boy into your new computer, or not your new computer, but plug your new keyboard into your computer. Nice braided. It's red, obviously. So we're on doing the twisty ties really quick. So you got this one side right here, plugs in to two USBs, and the USBs go into the back side of your computer, which powers your awesome new HyperX Alloy FPS keyboard. And just like I got done saying not too long ago, cleaning your keys has always been a pain in the butt. Excuse me, let me grab my knife to open this bad boy up. I don't see a tear point. So, oh, wait, there is a tear point. We don't need to go cutting anything, people. No cutting fingers off. Here are our textured keys, guys, and a key, key remover. So go ahead, open this up. Here's our key remover. And we also have our textured ASWD keys, as well, along with, looks like 1, 2, 3, that's W, 4, and 5. So the top keys, and then the ones right above it. So we're gonna go ahead and set up another shot and show you how easily these keys come on and off. Alright guys, now we're back. Just like I told you guys, we're going to be replacing these keys because I want the textured cool red ones. So this is the key remover, guys, and this is super simple. We're going to walk you through replacing these keys really quick. The key, as you guys already saw, is very simple. It just slides in. Just for ease, I'm going to go ahead and pull off the F1 key, F2, and as you guys can see, all I'm doing is sliding this key along the bottom as far as it goes in, and then just gently pulling up. That's all it's going to take to clean this bad boy, because I can take you over to my old keyboard right now, but it's kind of horrendous. It looks terrible. So we're not going to do that. But what we are going to do is we're going to pull off the escape as well, just to make it a little bit easier on me. So now coming in, we can get into this one key. Two key. And what do I got up to? 4? I got 4. So we need to go to 3. Four. Then we also have WASD. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to do it that way, guys, but what I just did is if you go down over the top of it and press, clicks, wiggle up. W-A. What do I have? W-S. A. D. And now it's time to put these bad boys back in. So we will start W. That's on there. W. Oh, I should not have started with a W, guys. Made a rookie mistake. Don't start with the W. Alright, so now we're going to start putting them back on there. Start with the S. You want to make sure you press them down on there so that they're actually down, because if not, they're going to wobble a little bit on you, and you don't want wobble while you're gaming. Because as you guys can tell, these little blue nubs are sticking up quite a bit. So you can fill them as you're pressing down. You can feel them going down, which is nice. So you got your W. No, you don't have your W. You have your SAD, which is sad without your W. WASD. Now we're going to go back across the top, guys. Like I said, we also have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1. Now, if you really have like an OCD friend, what you could do is you could screw with all of these, and they would not know how to fix it. Just take the key. 3. Oh, you probably want it on there straight. 4. Now we're just going to go back across the top and put your F keys and your escape key. There we go, guys, and all under 2 minutes you guys have your new keys, your textile keys that I was talking about and already showed earlier on, your colored keys across the top, and your keyboard's ready to plug in. So we will be right back in the next quick segment about showing you the keyboard and all of its cool features. And we are back. So guys, this is the keyboard 100% plugged in now, as you guys can see, beautifully backlit red. Over to the textured key, see if I can get a good angle on that. You guys can see the textured WASD keys. The top red ones aren't. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set up the angle for this, guys. Alright guys, and now we can see the landing strip. It looks like an airport, doesn't it? So we're gonna walk you guys through some of the cool effects that the HyperX Alloy FPS offers. This awesome FN key that you guys cannot see me pushing because I have the room blacked out. But this FN key plus the up and down arrows will change the brightness of this keyboard. So we can do off, all the way up. And then it will also change the effects, guys. So the left and right is the effects. FN plus left and right arrow keys. So we're going to go to the right because we're already fully to the left, which is all the way on. So to the right gives us a sweet breathing effect, which we saw on the EVGA GeForce GTX 1070 as well. The LED breathing effect. One more gives us a single lit up key, guys. So the more you type, the more that the keys light up. So the faster that you type, and then they slowly dim off. So we are going to find the FM key and go to the next one, which is now a ripple effect. So anywhere on the keyboard that you press, you're going to have a wave ripple out from that direction and spread like wildfire throughout the whole entire keyboard. Next one is just like I accidentally said before, a wave effect, where the keys instantly, no matter what you're doing, you can type anywhere, but they're just going to wave across the keyboard. To the next one, the only keys any FPS person needs, lit up. WASD, Control, Space Key, 1, 2, 3, 4, guys. Moving on to the next one. Oh, that is the last one, guys. So now we're back to the fully lit up keys, into the breathing effect. Sorry. One more. Fully lit up. So as you guys could hear, you guys can hear the clicking of the keys, which is louder than a normal keyboard that has cherry red, but this is the cherry blue. It's easy. It's very easy for double clicks, double taps. Like I said, only 5 CN difference between the red and blue. The blue is the most tactile and versatile switch that is out there. Let me go ahead and switch the lights back on. So guys, that again was the Alloy FPS from HyperX. It's an awesome keyboard. I'm gonna enjoy it. It's fun, it's small, it's compact, doesn't take up much room on the desk, very durable feeling. I know some of us PC gamers, get angry sometimes, hit our keyboard, slam our mice, and sometimes these products don't live up to the abuse that we deal out to them. But this is definitely a keyboard that can handle some abuse. Not that I recommend it, but I'm not gonna say I haven't done it. So yeah, coming in at $99 US, $99.99, basically $100 US. It's by far one of my favorite, best feeling, coolest customization on the LED part aspect of it, keyboards that I've seen around. So I hope you guys will head over to HyperX, check out their website, check out their products, check out the keyboard. Maybe pick one up while you're over there. Let them know that Zach from the Button Smashers and Plug and Play podcast sent you. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do, subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be getting my hands on more product information, hopefully from new up-and-coming things from HyperX as well. I'll report back after a while of using it and let you guys know how I'm enjoying it. I can tell you right now, I enjoy having the extra desk space, and it's not lacking in any compartment that my other keyboard was. So I'm not losing anything over ditching that keyboard for this keyboard. I'm extremely happy with it, and it looks awesome on my desk. So head over to thebuttonsmashers.com. Check out the article about the HyperX Alloy FPS. Head over to HyperX, check them out, at HyperX on Twitter. Let them know that you saw our video. And if you're watching this, hit the subscribe button.